So my name is Mohammed. I'm principal architect, and typically I lead a team of architects, which would also include infrastructure cloud architects. I'm taking this certification to get an in-depth understanding and also, to get some hands-on experience. So Paul has done an excellent job, so far, and I saw that the material you had sent out was excellent too. So I'm learning a lot from Paul, and also my classmates. They're asking some very good questions, very knowledgeable people here with very deep experience. So you learn with the class, of course. That's another point of, starting on your own versus joining a group, so that, you have your classmates there, they can answer, or they ask questions that you would think that, hey, I never thought of this. Any feedback that I could give constructive, my only concern is, I'm not sure if, where we are at, is this enough to get through the class? I think a lot more preparation is needed. Purely taking the exam point of view is what I'm saying. So we did get a set of questions. I think there's 500 questions that Paul had sent out. So I have to still revise that and, go through that mock exam, like you said, probably. But at this point of time, probably not even close to being ready to take the exam. So that's the only feedback I have.